Thanks for joining us again, and it's actually seasonal greetings because it's nearly Christmas. Anyway, here is another Bang On. My name's Peter Banks and I'm standing on West Mersea Beach, and over there is Bradwell Nuclear Power Station, which has just entered into this phase called care and maintenance. Now we want to talk a little bit about that because whilst they say that is safe and quiescent, the truth is a lot different. So, safe and quiescent, care and maintenance. What do these phrases really mean in reality? I was really privileged to be invited to go over and see the work that they were doing over in Bradwell, which is, by the way, I've just moved the camera around so it's over there now. I went in August and I was really impressed with the workmanship and everything that they're doing. It was quite a surprise though. We were able to go into the bases of the circulating pump rooms either side of reactor 2, and whilst there's so much work being done, there's also so much unfinished work. Everything that interfaces with the reactor itself, they have to leave because it's still going to be highly radioactive for a good few years. What's happened is a case of deferred decommissioning. That phrase means we're not going to finish it. There was work done by British Nuclear Fuels Limited in the late 80s and early 90s that found that decay elements in the graphite cores were things like tritium, carbon-14, calcium-41. Calcium-41 has a half-life of 102,000 years. There were isotopes of nickel, 59 and 63. There was cobalt-60. There was even a metastate of silver. So there are many years before it could be safe for a human to go in and dismantle the graphite cores. The document actually says 135 years, but as you'll see from the graph, 80 years does make some sense. So, what are the other places? What are the other concerns? What are the other safe stores? Well, one is for the intermediate level waste that is being shipped in from Dungeness and Sizewell. It already has Bradwell's intermediate level waste. That's got a shell round it, which is called a safe store. When they were decommissioning the cooling ponds, they found they were still highly contaminated. So rather than levelling it as they promised back in when they started decommissioning, they stuck another shiny clad building over the top and called it a safe store. So whilst I really respect the work that they've done there, it is of such high quality and is very impressive. You have to say that the safe stores are hiding the real truth. Now, this is probably not a seasonal message, but it is the time of the season, so I'd like to thank you for watching these little videos and wish you the compliments of the season and a very happy new year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. All the very best.